Every time I leave the city, you been hanging out with them like I don't know. Stay away from places that we always go. Telling them that we don't even talk no more. Every time we leave the city, you trying to run game on me.
Our Father's Day experience at the Grand Regal Hotel. Today, we decided to treat Dad sa isang masarap at special na lunch buffet dito sa the Grand Regal Hotel. Pagpasok pa lang namin sa dining area, feel na agad namin yung elegant yet welcoming vibe ng lugar. Perfect para sa celebration ni Daddy na tunay na haligi ng tahanan. From the ambience to the food choices, everything felt festive but classy. It wasn't too crowded, kaya relax ang kain. Tamang-tama ito sa bonding time namin family na taon pa na Father's Day. We started off with a comforting bowl of seafood chowder. May hors d'oeuvre din, assorted bite-sized starters. May fish tonkatsu na crispy sa labas, tender sa loob. May crispy chicken wings with honey sriracha, sweet, spicy, crunchy, paborito ni Dad. May beef patties with mushroom gravy, juicy at flavorful, na gustuhan din ni Liam. Syempre, may star of the show, may lechon sila, crispy na balat, super tender din ng meat. Dito kami naparami, napaka-crispy kasi. Meron din naman silang cheese and pimiento quesadilla. After all the savory dishes, we made space for the dessert kahit konti na lang ang space na natira sa tiyan. May cake pops, lemon tart, s'mores bar, at may chocolate moist cake. At may fresh fruits din sila, pineapple at watermelon, pampatanggal umay at pang-refresh. Sobrang saya ng experience. Not only was the food delicious and well-presented, but the staff were all friendly and accommodating. Kitang-kita nga sa mata ni Dad kung gaano siya kalatuwa nung kumain kami dito. To all hardworking, loving, and awesome dads out there, Happy Father's Day po sa inyong lahat. And if you're looking for a great place to celebrate next year, the Grand Regal Hotel Buffet is definitely worth it.